So I watched a program about homosexuality.
About?
Guys and lesbians.
Homosexuality.
Achha.
They were parents and children together. Open program. So when parents discover somehow that their children get on that way, they react, in my opinion, not naturally. They take it like something is in children and that takes them on that way. They said they are not responsible for that. One lady, she said she has 4 children and only one of them get wrong, in my opinion. So what I'm worried about, what really cause this disease and how to react to make positive effect.
You see, the answer is very simple. If any lady thinks, or any father, the parents, let's call it, think that their child is compelled by the impulses of the genes which are within him. So it's a natural impulse which he or she try to follow helplessly. This is the only argument they have against this, against advice to their children not to do anything bad. Correct? But what is their attitude when the genes tell a boy or a girl that they should steal? When anybody steals, he is commanded by the same genes. If somebody in the house starts breaking household furniture, things, how would the parent react? Will they say, no, don't interfere, let him break all the dishes and everything, destroy everything? It's just a message from the gene they're following. If they want to kill, why not? Why punish them? It's a message of the genes. So it's extremely stupid attitude not to try to discipline the boys or girls, because whatever is natural is also animal. These are animal instincts. What is the difference between an animal and a man? This is the difference. In animal, there is no restrictive instrument which can hold the animal away from the instinctive messages. In humans, they progress only because they try to discipline the urges which rise from the messages from genes. So you make her understand, your friend understand these things. If she doesn't agree with you, then tell her to be consistent at least. Let your children do whatever they like, even beat you if they so desire. Then I'll understand that you're honest, otherwise not. Understand the message? Will you be able to convey it like this to her?
This is on television.
Aha, mashallah. She's already on television.
Yeah.
That's fine then.
What really causes this disease?
Beg your pardon?
What causes this disease? Why it comes?
It's not a disease. That's what I'm saying. To fulfill sexual urges is natural in man, in all animals. But to discipline it is our responsibility. Whether it is a sex between male and female, or a sex between male and male, or female and female, all these can be described as urges. No more different from the urges to steal, to kill, to destroy. Now you know? Please.